morning.
Good morning.
We are currently, well, we've just started our tour with Tai Tai the Tuk Tuk Drive, and we're going to go on a tour around Battambang and the countryside today. We're looking forward to it, aren't we?
Yeah, really excited for it.
Go for my hands. Up.
Wow.
Big brother, big.
Yes.
Yeah. And the black one is called black bean. Black bean.
He likes it, right?
Yeah. And then larger rice ones.
Nice one.
Wow.
Yeah.
So how come they go on the... How come they're only on the street? Why are they not on any other street?
We got to share people. I can stay on the street. Banan temple.
Banan temple.
Yes.
$2 each.
We're now walking up a huge set of stairs. What's this temple? Banyan. I thought that was the end, so I got a sprint on, but... Oh no.
So this temple was built in 11 something, and it's older than Angkor Wat.
1010, I think.
What?
101.
No.
That's what he said.
No.
Who's so sweaty about? Again.
It's an uphill struggle.
We've just been for a lovely tour of the countryside. Bit bumpy.
So bumpy. Get out at one point because the road was so rough.
Yeah, we had to push it. But that was fine, wasn't it, really?
Yeah, it's good.
For what we saw. But yeah, once again, we're hiking. Rex, where are we now? Sounds good then. Just finished off at the Killing Cave.
Now we're on the way to the top of the hill. Still walking, still sweaty.
Just very sweaty, yes.
They're all just munching around.
So just then I thought I did want to film us walking downstairs, but I was petrified for mine and Becca's safety. So those monkeys were scary, I'll tell you.
Vicious.
So we walked down, rushed down really, past all the monkeys, and then took a few snaps, which were lovely because the place was really nice. And now we're heading off to hopefully watch the sunset, just where we can see the bat cave. Yeah?
Bats coming out of the cave, hopefully.
That's what we're hoping for. Now he's dancing. Thank you.
Yes.
We had a great time.
Are you happy today?
Such a good day.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
We
much.
will write you an excellent review on TripAdvisor.
Okay, thank you very much.
No,
Number my name on TripAdvisor.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tai
Smile.
for the video.
Okay, thank you
Okay.
very much.
Thank you very much.
And good luck for you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
You too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Have a good day. Goodbye.
So as you walk out of our hotel, you come across this market, and then if you walk down to the end of this street down there, you can get some really nice street food. And
Right,
that's
yeah.
where we ate last night. And there's some like lights up at the moment and a big Christmas tree, but I'm not sure if that's just because it's like obviously Christmas time. But you never know. In China, they're up all year round. So it's literally just down there. There's a
flat.
place called Smoking Pot which looked good, and we ate in the little place next door. We had like 2 mains, 2 rice dishes, a beer and a water, and it came to $4.50. We
Half
just had
the price of our breakfast.
yeah, we just had breakfast in the hotel, which was like muesli and some yogurt and 2 coffees, and it came to $8. Travel tip: always ask the price first.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Really chilled night last night. We just got some food, then went back to the hotel because now we are going to Phnom Penh. We're going to jump on the Mekong Express. It's a minibus this time, so hopefully it should be a little bit quicker. When you arrive in Battambang, you get dropped off in this square, and there's always loads of tuk-tuk drivers. We jumped in a tuk-tuk, and he took us from here. He drove us all the way along here, around the corner, turn left, and then we're at our hotel. So,
Which left?
oh, you know, the right.
Do you mean turn right?
Right. So it'd be Battambang's not a big place, so it's probably worth just finding out where your hotel
Yeah,
is.
but for the sake of just getting there for 50
cent,
cents,
yeah.
it was alright, wasn't it?
Yeah,
Plus they hounded the
they did hound the
doors,
bus,
and I
they
was
did.
like as soon as we parked up, he was there with a sign saying 50 cent anywhere
Anywhere
in
in
this.
the city. And there's a reason for that, because that journey was not worth 50 cent.
Right, yeah.
Right, I think that's our minibus with
It
all the
is,
people
so we
in
better
it.
hurry up, Bex.
Look at that. You need a picture? No, thank you.
Thank you.
There you go.
Phnom Penh.
Phnom Penh. Oh, bye.
Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Goodbye to
Bye bye. Alright, so that is our minibus.